A dog and a cat are sitting in the vet's waiting room. The dog looks over at the cat and asks, "What are you here for?" The cat replies, "Well, I'm not too proud to admit that I have a bit of a problem with scratching furniture. My owner's bringing me here to see if they can do something about it. What about you?" The dog sighs and says, "I'm here because I've got a terrible habit of chasing my tail. My owner's hoping the vet can help me stop." The cat nods sympathetically. "That's tough, but hey, don't worry. We're both here to get better." After a few moments of silence, the dog leans in closer and says, "Between you and me, I just chase my tail for fun. But I figured if I pretended it was a real problem, I might get some extra treats out of it." The cat smirks and replies, "Clever. But I'm only here because I scratched the couch. On purpose. My owner thinks I don't know better, but I've been doing it for years. I just enjoy watching them try to figure me out." The two share a knowing look, and the dog says, "Looks like we've got our humans wrapped around our paws." And with a chuckle, they both settle in, ready to outsmart their owners yet again.